Hey everyone, welcome to Nathan's Detailing. This is Marissa here. She's doing the video with me today, and she thought she got out of making the video with me, but little did she know, I moved it to the next day when she was gonna be here. Are you excited to be here?
I am so excited to be here.
Can you hear the excitement in there? Marissa has only been with us for about a week, so she probably knows like 0.0001% of what we did on this, right? But you know that it's orange.
It is orange.
Do you know what kind of vehicle it is?
Jeep Rubicon.
Rubicon. Wrangler. Is it Wrangler Rubicon or Rubicon Wrangler?
I'm not sure. My dad has a Jeep.
He does, yes. What color is his Jeep?
It's gray.
Gray?
Nothing
kind of boring.
I know.
Does he have ducks in his Jeep?
He doesn't.
What's up with the ducks?
You have to duck your own Jeeps. You take ducks that people duck you with and you have to re-duck them on other Jeeps. It's a community.
We did some cool stuff on this, so we protected it a lot. We put PPF on almost the entire vehicle. Very technical install. Tyler just did an awesome job just making sure that we're getting in all of those places that are difficult. I think we even added some of these decals for him. What do you think about this, Marissa? I think obviously we haven't put everything back together, but this is an additional thing on here. What do you think about that?
I think that's pretty sweet. I think it just ties all the colors together.
Yeah, it does. Should women Jeep Wrangler drivers have different types of ducks than men?
No.
No, okay.
Because all ducks are equal.
All ducks are equal. I love it. So we put some PPF on this vehicle for him, really protecting it because he is probably gonna go off-roading. Because we have that PPF on there, once they go through the woods off-roading, they're just gonna wash it off. And then if there's any scratches, the sun heals the scratches. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Isn't that so cool?
That is.
When you go off-roading and it gets some scratches, minimal scratches, obviously, you gotta work with me here. When it's in the sun, it's going to heal them away and they go away. So what do you drive?
2004 Honda Element.
Honda Element, okay. What do you love about your Honda Element?
Not much.
Not much?
It works.
So if you had to pick a vehicle, what vehicle would you pick because you want something bigger?
My dream truck is a 1949 Chevy Apache.
Wow. Where did that come from? Why that one?
I grew up going to car shows with my dad.
Okay.
And I saw one when I was like 6, and I was like, I have to have this.
One of these days, we're gonna do a video with Marissa and this truck that she loves so much. So if you had a Jeep and you had a ton of ducks and you saw another Jeep that didn't have any ducks, would you go and give them one of your ducks?
Absolutely. If I had a Jeep, I would keep ducks on the ready in my...
On the ready in your garage. My wife has this obsession with gnomes, okay? So I started buying her gnomes because I thought it would be really nice of me to do that. Well, I guess I bought her so many gnomes that she got sick of them, and I kind of became obsessed with them. So every time I looked at this truck, I thought about this gnome. He's like kind of orange. I thought that, you know, it would look really good for one of these gnomes to be up here. What do you think, Ethan? The tropical gnome goes with the top, the doors down. You think that's a good gnome? And you could be like, you've been gnomed. No, that didn't work.
It's unique.
Would you prefer gnomes on your dash or ducks? Make sure you remind them to tell us if they think gnomes are a good alternative for ducks.
Gnomes or ducks?
Gnomes or ducks? Hey, we appreciate you guys. She does not think gnomes. I think gnomes. Gnomes or ducks? Peace out, guys. Have a great day.